and welcome back to Ari Has Ideas. Today we're going to be doing part 2 of the Elmer's Color Slime Kit, and it's been a long time since I posted the first part, and the reason why is because I started a new channel called Calm and Relax. So anyways, let's get back to the video. Right now I'm going to be doing the pink crunchy foam slime. So first we're going to be emptying out all the glue, even though some of the glue doesn't come out because, you know, it's kind of hard and sometimes it gets stuck in there. But then if you really want to get everything out, you just cut open the bottle. Anyways, so then we're going to be putting in the foam beads and mixing it a little up. And I'm still going to wait for some of the glue to come out. And even though some of the glue doesn't come out, sometimes I put white glue inside it. And then in a later video that I already recorded, I'm actually going to be doing blindfolded slime challenge where I don't even know what glue I'm picking and it might not be the color that's actually the color of the bottle. So I think I'll be posting that in a few weeks or something because I do have a lot of different videos that I want to post. But anyways, I'm going to be putting some more activator inside it and mixing it a little at a time. And sometimes, you know, you put activator and you mix it and you don't think there's enough and you put more, and then afterwards you play with it and then it gets hard. Well, that's because it's getting mixed in really good now, but when you first made it, it's not very mixed in. That happened to one of my slimes, and I don't want to say a lot because it's going to be in another video in the future. So you just keep mixing the slime, putting a little more. Sometimes you have to mix a little hard. It's like a workout doing slime, you know. Sometimes it's a workout, you know, because you're moving your arms and stuff like that, and it's very tiring. Also playing with it and stretching it out and keep doing that to mix it. Yeah, and that's also a little workout there. But anyways, I'm gonna keep adding a little bit of activator a little at a time so then it can get activated. And yeah. So after you put all the activator that you need to put in there, you just play with it and, you know, do what you want with it. So what I like about this kit is it comes with everything you need, and you can get your own add-ins at the store and stuff and to make it unique. But anyways, thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, and share this video with all your friends. Thanks for watching and goodbye. And here's some ASMR.